your procrastination can be connected to your stress. Because procrastination isn't just about poor time management. It can also result from poor stress management. Yung stress kasi, yan yung isa sa mga reasons din bakit hindi natin ginagawa yung mga kailangan natin gawin. And yung nangyayari doon, we mindlessly scroll in social media kasi feeling natin doon tayo nagkakaroon ng relief. Scroll tayo, social media, TikTok, YouTube, kasi hindi natin nako-confront kung ano talaga yung nangyayari sa loob natin. What we can do is, yes, it's important to manage our time well, sama mo na rin yung energy well, pero also confront yung mga stressors, process that emotions, so that you can